So today my video is about how I optimize my channel. So generally I use two tools here. One is the vidIQ and another is the TubeBuddy. First off, you can search vidIQ. I'll leave a link to the description. So vidIQ. So you can sign up with Google account. So it's easy to use. It will show how much I decreased in percentage in the views, subscriber count, all that. So I'm gonna show you how I actually optimize my videos. Let's say the video, and I just uploaded that. These are some links, don't worry about that. So here you can see a full view report of this. I'm gonna remove all the tags. I'll see the score will go down because this was by default Gwent based. Let's say just write Gwent, and you'll see it shows the average score for these CEOs. So currently I don't have any. Let's say I'm a new YouTuber who don't know how to write my description or other tags, and also I want to build a good SEO for my videos to rank higher. So the first thing I'll do, I'll go to YouTube. See score 30.8. Currently my video, I haven't done anything here. It is showing 24.3 out of 50. The rest of the 50 is based on the views and all that. So I can see how many views he get per hour, how many views he actually got, and the average duration as well. This shows how many of his videos are actually showing his contents, the description, the word count. Let's say you want to copy his description, but description is very easy, we can all see that. But about the keywords, we actually can't copy without some tools, and vidIQ can help you do that. Like, these are his tags, though it is suggested by TubeBuddy. If I go down, this is a tab for the vidIQ. So it even tells me the title is too long, the tags are too short, it is public, everything. So I'm gonna press copy here, paste it here, and I just got some tags. And say, let's say I go to my own channel. Overall it got this many views, and also these are the things I can see if I got upgraded to the premium part. That's not necessarily actually. Currently 15 of my videos are suggesting these videos. There are this many description in here. I have two end screens. There are how many links I have here, it is showing me that as well. And all of that. Let's say the video tags, these was the video tags I used. So let's say I'm gonna copy that and go here and push it out, and see the average CU score actually bumped up because these are Gwent related content. I have Gwent written here, and these are the similar types of things you can get with Gwent. Also, this is just copying and pasting other things, and vidIQ can show you the suggested keywords here as well. Like, this has got overall 65.2 points. I can even click there and search Gwent on a regular basis, but the competition is very low. Overall score, it is that much. Search volume is again low, but competition is again very low, so the score upgraded. So you can actually check your vidIQ score, the SEO score, how many you can upgrade it. So I'm gonna go back to my video, and this is something I wrote about the game. So I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it here. I believe the point will, obviously it's gonna go up. Let's say it is about meme clips, so I write meme here, meme clips. See, the score bumped. The video is also suggesting me I don't have a card or end screen. I didn't have the captions manually, and also all other things. So this was my recent Madoc deck, and it did got tons of views compared to others, because obviously Madoc is now a very good topic to make a video of Gwent. And as you can see with the description here, I did put the same tag and the same title and same description starting. Also I believe I have written some Maddox 6 annihilation. You can see Maddox is written #1. So I believe if I write go and see, I'm the number on video here. Also, how can I say, why the rank had, let's say Gwen Twitcher, it's written Gwen, what do you see here? So it told me the 20 number video should be mine. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11, also the another video of mine, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. I did missed a few, so I believe this is the video, the same video here, the Gwent annihilation. So you can actually track your the how I track my videos, is it ranking higher or not. I can come here with vidIQ. It tells me the blue ones is for the vidIQ and green ones are from the TubeBuddy. I use them both, so they both have their uses. So as you can see again, it shows me some suggested tags. If I upgrade to the paid version, it's gonna show me even more, it's even better, but for now I'm using the free version. So the vidIQ shows me 3 daily ideas, which is very good for me if I usually do these videos. And I did show you the videos out here. These are some things I'm gonna get if I update my account. So I'm gonna go to competitors, let's say YouTubers for Gwent. If I add them as my competitor, I can track them as well. So let's say the blue one is Specimen. He got like about 500,000 views in the last 30 days, and among other things, this is me. I'm not here to say who is going viral or successful, but I can easily say here that which of the Gwent videos got more attention from the people. Like Qcentro's video about the ladder cutthroat got 10,000 views among these 4 channels, including mine. So I can see this video is obviously a good one. So if I make a video about this one, I too can get a similar good attention, the views and among other things. So casual gamers videos are also peaking high here. So NCLA down here is me. So these are the good videos of mine. So every now and then I always make a deck about Maddox and Assimilate, because this ranked higher and it got that many views. So I assumed people loved those videos, so I would make a video of that every let's say 1 or 2 months again, just to see is it performing well, and it does. So vidIQ helps me here a lot. Also these are the things, I'm pretty sure the paid version, so as I'm not using those, I can't actually make you see them. The saved ideas, so this was the idea I saved 10 months ago, but I didn't make the video. This is the ideas it shows. TubeBuddy can actually recommend me titles as well. So as I'm running the free version, it usually gives me 3 credits per month. Then it refreshes again the next month. Let's say it is March 14, it is saying I'll get new credits in 17 days later. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna use one of them credit, and let's say this is the title I put for the video, and it's gonna suggest me some viral tag. Let's say, see the wildest game Gwent memes you'll ever watch, revealing the funniest Gwent moments. I can use one of them. You can go to their channel as well. Let's say vidIQ, and they actually train you very well about running their app, running their website. See, our creators are losing views because of this mistake, and this channel helped me a lot, and this is their extension, let's say. But this is the default version, everybody sees their YouTube channel like this one, but for me, if I go here and let's say add this up, I can see how many views I got in the last 60 minutes. I can see how much watch time I gathered in the last two days. Also the the short views I got in the last 2 days, the views overall in the last 7 days. I usually don't need that. Also the minutes watched in the last 7 days, not necessary. I can see my current subscription count. Every time I look up here, I can see did my subscription got up or down. I can see sorry, I can see which of his videos are trending. Say this video of his 2 days ago, it is getting 200 views per hour. This is views per hour. Also I can track which of his videos are getting viral. I can make a similar video with a different deck of mine and get similar results. So vidIQ is very good here. His title is too long, so it's suggesting to lower the title on a shorten the title. He didn't use that much of a tags, though tags are not necessary nowadays, but still. As you can see, I can see how many views his channel overall got. His channel got about 2 million views, quite impressive. Subscriber count. vidIQ is not just helping me as a YouTuber, it is also helping me be a good consumer from the YouTube content. So it's very effective if you have it, and it's free to use. I have been using it free since like 6-7 months. If you like it very much and if you find it helpful, you can obviously upgrade with the paid version. The paid version is obviously way better, and honestly the free version gets the job done. I'll leave a link for you in the description. Watch it if you like it. So bye for now.